This koi pond everyone's asking about? It may cost you over $8,000, but I built it for way less than you think. When I wanted that high-end aquarium look, without the heart attack price tag, I got creative. That background wall, it's expensive online, and shipping is a nightmare. So I used the post from an old bed, angle iron, waterproof board, added ceramic fish and flowers. Then I stacked a water tank on top for that cascade effect. And LEDs for evening ambiance. My fish throw better parties than most people. Bonus, a hidden storage cabinet in the back. Stylish and functional, check and check. But wait, it gets better. The fence, molded it myself. The aerator to pump oxygen and water, plastic pipes, more bubbles, larger coverage, fraction of the cost. And my favorite hack, the surface skimmer uses 2 ping pong balls and works like absolute magic. For that fancy aquarium look, I installed a glass viewing panel in front. For the Zen garden vibes, I crafted shelves from PVC to hold my lotus and lilies. Now here's the problem nobody talks about, winter. Where I live, temperatures hit sub-zero. So I engineered a greenhouse cover that keeps my fish from turning into popsicles. So there you have it, not too shabby. How much do you think it actually cost me? Drop your guess in the comments and I'll heart the closest one. By the way, this was my retirement project at 65. I'm 68 now, and I just discovered YouTube. I'm having the time of my life, sharing what retirement really looks like. Gardening, DIY projects, learning shuffle dance, staying fit, traveling, and caring for my dog, cats, fish, and birds. If you want to see more creative solutions, hit that subscribe button. Trust me, we're just getting started.